In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set API permissions safely. If you use an exchange or a crypto tracking app, API keys let services read your balances or, in some cases, place trades. Done right, they make life easier. Done wrong, they can expose your account. Let's walk through the safest setup from start to finish. First, sign into your exchange or platform account and make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. Use an authenticator app rather than SMS whenever possible, and confirm it's working before you proceed. This single step blocks many common attacks. Next, open your API settings. You'll typically find this under Profile, then Settings, then API. Look for the option to create a new key or edit an existing one. If your platform has documentation on API permissions, keep it open for reference as you go. When choosing permissions, start with read-only by default. Read or view access lets portfolio trackers and analytics tools see balances and history without the power to act on your account. Avoid enabling trading or withdrawal permissions unless you absolutely trust the specific app or bot and you truly need those features. As a rule, never grant withdrawal access unless there is a critical, well-justified reason. Where possible, restrict access. If the platform supports IP whitelisting, add only the trusted IP addresses that will use the key. This prevents the key from working elsewhere. If device restrictions are available, limit usage to selected devices. These controls dramatically reduce risk even if a key is exposed. Enable the requirement for two-factor authentication on API actions or changes if your platform offers it. This ensures that sensitive updates can't happen without a second approval step, adding an extra layer of protection. Now generate or update the API key. Click Create or Save, then copy the key and the secret. The secret is usually shown only once. Store both in a secure location, such as an encrypted password manager or a secure notes vault. Avoid saving them in plain text files or email. Test your setup with the intended app or tracker. Confirm that it connects and that you can see the expected data or functionality without exposing broader permissions than needed. Finally, review your API keys regularly. Remove any keys you no longer use, reduce permissions that seem excessive, and revoke a key immediately if you suspect it's been compromised. Keep your keys read only whenever possible, never share your secret publicly, and use IP restrictions whenever the platform allows. With these habits, your API permissions stay both useful and safe.